Why, hello, boys and girls.
Hello, boys and girls.
Ooh.
Don't reel in, you know. Oh, set it.
I had one. Horrible cast. Horrible cast. Got him.
Nice.
Let's tighten up that drag a little bit. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I lost him.
Always keep your eye on the fish.
Yeah, I'm done. Freaking set your hook hard enough. Jeez, dude.
I caught the same one that you just lost.
Freaking narc.
Dude, a perch.
Bro, dude, that thing's huge.
I know. Dude, this is insane.
Holy shit.
Out of a pond? Oh my gosh, dude. New find.
Oh my
Dude,
gosh.
this is going on the Snapchat. I didn't even, I didn't hook it right. Dude, that is dope. Are you guys seeing this?
That is freaking huge. Hold your hand up kind of by it. Here, I'll hold my phone.
Look at that.
Samsung Galaxy.
Look at how fat it is. Oh my gosh, dude.
Freaking fatty. We need to bring that sucker home.
I know. Freaking have some dinner. Dude, that is sick.
There's so much. Knife. Knife. Oh. Oh my gosh, I lost another one.
Are you serious?
You've got to be kidding me.
Are you
I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I mean, like, should I put another worm on there or should I just put my worm on there?
Nick, who are you talking to, yourself?
Yes, what are those? Another one. Another one. Another one. One.
It's probably a horrible spot to cast it, but... Oh, I lied. What was I saying? I was saying that it was a horrible spot? What a lie. There you go. Uh-huh. Oh, it's not even fighting, really. It's another bass, though. Look at that wake. Nice. Make that number 7. Nice. Yeah. Oh my word, the hook is messed up. All right. Gotta get a picture of the last fish of the night. Oh no, I just broke its jaw. That is no good. Well, that's a fatty, isn't it? Can't, oh. Ow. 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 Oh man, my thumb's gonna be tore up after that one. Woo. It's as big as you, dude. Number 7. Last one of the night, I bet.
Knife.
You got first, you got last.
Yep.
Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's pond fishing here at Boulder Creek. We gotta give a name to this bad boy because it's really nice. I don't know what we're gonna call it, maybe bass pond, perch pond, who knows. Maybe yeah, badass bass pond. Oh, that's a good one, Nick. Alright, but Nick, wave goodbye to the camera, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.